So Fede, I made a claim ukuthi to be a black Christian is an element of self-hate. You cannot be a Christian without rejecting your culture, your history, and your identity. Yangithola. Then uMr. Sibalukhulu presented a counter argument. Yangithola. Firstly, uMr. Sibalukhulu was very articulate. He was clear. Yangithola. He was respectful and he didn't use profanities, which is something which is a bit odd in such conversations. And for that, I appreciate you. So isn't it we agree on? Firstly, we agree with there's a difference between a culture and a religion. And we agree with the Christianity in Africa or South Africa was through colonization and it had an element of a white culture. And obviously, we also agree with khona izinto which are tolerated by Christianity when they are accepted, they are tolerated by Christianity, such as your language, such as indlela ogqoka ngayo. So obvious, the main argument was his main argument was ukuthi khona izinto uGod azirejectayo, izinto contrary to God, angeke uthandaza amadlozi then still be a Christian, so you have to reject those elements of your culture, izinto ezingahambiselani nobani noNkulunkulu. So that's where like the bone of contention is. Because firstly, ama-anthropologists asitshela ukuthi i-culture ekayi-two. There is a physical culture, then there is the unseen culture. I-physical culture is i-language yakho, impahla oyigqokayo, ukudla okudlayo, that's part of your culture. But then there is also the unseen culture, ukuthi siphathana kanjani singabantu, your understanding of life and nokufa, ukuthi yini impilo, yini ukufa, you understand ukuthi kenzakalani umuntu mekafa, you understand those things. That spiritual aspect of the culture is very important in the culture. It's very fundamental in a culture, you understand, because in some cultures they believe ukuthi umuntu mekashona kumele angcwatshwe same day, that is part of their culture. And the minute change lento leyo sebayichangeile i-culture yabo, you understand, even though bangaqhubeka bakhulume language yabo, mara changing that thing, that fundamental spiritual aspects of the culture is changing themselves, is rejecting themselves, because if they change it themselves, then it's not self-rejection, it's self-improvement. But if a dead force comes in and then they have to reject the entire culture, is now self-rejection. So same thing nathi, thina we believe ukuthi umuntu mekashona uba idlozi elihle, abanye vele if bophila impilo ebhedayo uzoba idlozi elibhedayo, but we believe in the spiritual world. We believe ukuthi umuntu impilo yakhe ayipheleli in this world, so muzofika i-dead force izo-impose ukuthi umuntu mekashona uya ezulwini or whatever, because now ama-Christianity have different understanding ukuthi umuntu mekashona kuyenzakalani. Abanye they believe ukuthi 144,000 abantu yibo abazoya ezulwini, then the rest bazohlala emhlabeni. Abanye babelieve ukuthi sonke soya ezulwini.